gonna face to the left here in overhand, sweep back. Now your underhand here, and we're gonna sweep up over the top and down and overhand, and sweep back. Your underhand here on the right, double stall, go into overhand, sweep back, come out underhand on the left, sweep up, over the top, come down, sweep back, come out underhand, sweep up, over the top, come down, stop the poi, and go into the clockwise corkscrew. And then we're gonna turn to the right and come around to the front. And now sync it up and come down and tap on the right side, and up and over and down and tap on the left side, and up and over and down and tap on the right, and up and over and down and tap on the left. And then you can do, put your feet together and tap, and separate them and tap together and separate them. And then come down on your right hand side. Now we're gonna come up, turn to the left, turn around, come down on the left and tap. And then turn up, over, around, down, tap on the right. Up, over, down, and around and tap on the left. One more time to the right. And now we're gonna add a little jump, going to the left. Come up, add your jump, come down and tap left. Up, add your jump, come down and tap right. Turning left and tap. Turning right and tap. Now come into the counterclockwise corkscrew in together time. And bring the corkscrew up, 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 and come down into overhand on the left-hand side. Sweep back, come out underhand, and come up into counterclockwise pinwheel again. And bring your poi down on the right-hand side, stall, then pull it up and come into the clockwise version of it. And it's together time clockwise, come down on the right into overhand, and sweep back, sweep up over the top, sweep back, and we're gonna step our right foot forward, sweep over away from the camera, so turn away from me, and then come over the top. Okay, so you swept back, you should step your right foot forward. Here, you should have stepped your right foot forward. Yeah, there you go. Now sweep over away from me. And sweep back. Step your right foot forward. Sweep over away from me. I might not have told you to take that other step in there. So step, sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep. So your overhand here on the right, sweep low, step your right foot forward, your underhand here, sweep up over the top away from me, step your right foot forward, sweep low, step, sweep high, step, sweep low, come out underhand on the left. Now, sweep over to the right, step your left foot forward, you're here, sweep over the top, and step your left foot forward. Now you're gonna sweep away from me low. And now step your left foot forward again, and you're gonna sweep toward me, coming up high, and then come down. And then you'll step your left foot forward, sweep low, and then step your left foot forward, sweep high, step your left foot forward, sweep low, step, sweep, step, sweep. When you're ready for it, that'll be your next thing.